teeth of it. So what he's doing? That's been in the kitchen. He went inside. Yesterday he went inside entirely with his foot, everything. Where you can close that thing. Like he was flush where you can close that thing. Look at him. Look at him. He want to try to close it. I'm not saying anything. He's looking at me to see if I will say something. See how children, see, he put his foot in. He put his foot in. See that? He put his foot in. Yeah. You want to close the whole thing. You see that? You see how children are dangerous? Yeah? Imagine the thing lock when you cannot open and you are not here. You know, you didn't see him going in. You see that? You see that? Hey, Lord have mercy. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at him. Look at him. He's acting like he has overcome the world though. Huh? Because you go inside that thing. Look at children. Hey, children, oh Lord have mercy, oh. Hey, the kitchen drawers. Now you wanna go inside. And you even try to close it. You see that? Some of you don't have children. Think well before you have children, oh. You know, some of these are made where when you close it lock. You close it, there's a magnetic thing that lock it inside. Imagine you are not here. You think your son is playing around and he went in there and that thing closed in there. You are not. He went back. He's going back. He's going back. He did it yesterday. I didn't say anything. You see that? I told you guys yesterday he went in his foot entirely where he can close it. You saw earlier he was trying to close the door, right? Yeah? And you see, he's pulling the door. He's pulling the door. You see how children can take risks? Eh? This big place where somebody can play anywhere. There's this massage chair. He often sit inside the massage chair and put his phone. He will put his phone here. It'll be like a big man. Sometimes he will cross his foot in there. All these places, the rooms he can play. It's this kitchen thing he wants to go inside. You see the risk of children. Hey, Lord have mercy, oh Lord have mercy on me, oh. Hey, Lord have mercy on me. I'm doing it like Nigerians now. You like my headband? Jesus. No, turn it back. No, some of you don't know what I'm talking about. Out of all places, you see, he's trying to close it. He's in there trying to close it. I'm not gonna be the one to go close it on him. I'm letting him do it on himself. So it's not that you feel like, oh, daddy encouraged me. See, he's trying to close it. See. Because he closed it. He closed it. People, you saw that. He closed it too. Hey, people, you saw he closed it too. People, he closed it. Jai, Lord have mercy. Look at it. Look at it. In his mind, he has overcome the world like that. Look at it.